Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Defender 110 D250 X-Dynamic HSE with an eye-catching Fuji White exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Defender 110 also comes fitted with LED headlights, 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. Heading over to the back of the Defender 110 now, we're just going to take a look at some more of that gloss black badging and then open up the tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. Stepping inside the Defender 110 now, we're just going to take a look at that Meridian surround sound system as well as the driver's seat memory function, electric window controls and blind spot assist. This Defender 110 also comes fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then I'm just coming up to that digital driver's display. This Defender 110 also comes fitted with a clear sight interior rear view mirror. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the 2-zone climate control as well as the gear shift paddle. And then coming up to the extremely responsive 11.4-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Defender now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.